Dr. Islam, to bring you in on this conversation, the fact is it's a highly emotive issue. We've seen on ground as well with our multiple reporters. It's a mammoth task, especially for the youth, because most of them only have as identity and Aadhaar. While the top court is going to hear, the petitions tomorrow, the larger question prevails, sir. And number one, it prevails from the fact that you are holding this mammoth revision exercise just 3 months away from an election during the monsoon season. Where is the chance of redressal? Something that has been echoed not just by political parties, but by former ECs and other administrative staff, which they understand the process of redressal is long drawn. So if somebody is struck out of the list on the basis of not providing enough documents, he doesn't have a chance of redressal. The vote is over.
First of all, let me correct you, because you said that you are spearheading this exercise. It is not us. It is not the political party.
I'm not saying you're spearheading this exercise, but you're supporting the exercise.
Let me just come back to you. That I heard you. All I'm trying to tell you that it is the Election Commission, which is an independent body. They are conducting this exercise. They know exactly their job. They know, they are very confident, and there is a consensus among all the voters across India, except the political parties who have are being supported by illegal voters, that illegal voters should be thrown out. There should not be a single illegal voter voting for any candidate, irrespective whether they voted for BJP earlier or whether they voted for any other political party. We are absolutely clear that illegal voters should not be voting for any political party, be it any party. I'm not saying that illegal voters, if it is because we have won the election. Na? Recently we had won the election. So, but if there is some merit, and if this exercise is being undertaken, then I'm sure that there is a possibility that there are some people who are illegal, and they need to be, this needs to be verified, their credentials, their identity needs to be verified, and of course, once it is verified, if they are eligible voters, then they must vote.